In the ad set level, when you're making your Facebook ads, there's actually something called the placements for Facebook. And hey guys, hope you're doing well. My name's Jeffrey. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe for more content related to e-commerce and dropshipping. It's a nice day today in Vancouver. I'm outside, and I just wanted to make a quick little vlog for you guys, share with you kind of a secret sauce, if you will, on Facebook ads in particular. And for Facebook ads, let's get right to it actually. For Facebook ads, actually, if you don't know how to set up properly the Facebook ads, I actually have a video on it from A to Z, so you can watch that first. But basically, in the ads level, when you're making your Facebook ads, there's actually something called the placements for Facebook. And usually when you watch different videos related to dropshipping and how they run, Facebook ads, they usually have sorry, it's getting tiring here. They usually have something like added placements, and then they would just do Facebook and newsfeed only. This is pretty much like the go-to strategy for dropshipping in particular. And I just wanted to come in and say, you should try something else and go against the grain and really try story ads, because story ads is something that I've been testing recently and it's been working really well actually. So, next time if you try to run a Facebook ad, you can try putting auto placements on your Facebook ads. And then what you would do is you're going to make an ad, bad lighting here, you're going to make an ad that's native to stories. So in particular, Facebook and Instagram. So what you would do is you're going to make it on maybe Canva or something like that, change the resolution. I believe it's like, I forgot the resolution. I think it's like 1080 by 1650. So what you're going to do is you're just going to make the video or the picture and then make it native to story ads, and then put something like a swipe up feature to it, like swipe up to get yours today. And I found it really works well because not a lot of people actually use it, and it's kind of like an untapped placement. So it's something you can definitely try to kind of separate yourself from your competitors selling the same stuff. And you can do that for both story and Instagram. I believe for story you should make it a bit longer if you can, but if it's like a slideshow type of video, or if it's just a picture, then it shouldn't matter. But definitely it's something to try out if you're interested, because I realized that it really increased my ROAS a lot, like almost 3 times, and almost tripled my sales and my net. So it's definitely something to try out because it's relatively untapped. And let me know what kind of progress that you kind of see, because it's really going to help you decrease your Facebook ads expenses and your ad spend in general. So it's definitely worth trying out. Yeah, so let me know in the comment section down below if you tried it or whether you want to try it and how it is for you. But I think it's just a secret kind of Facebook hack that no one really talks about. And I've seen a couple of YouTubers talk about it, but not too much. So I just wanted to share with you guys, and let me know what you think down below. Alright, subscribe for more content. If you're new here again, and like the video if you enjoyed it, got some value. This is just a short little vlog, as I said, to kind of share my secret sauce. And yeah, I'm out. Thanks, and take care.